Be blessed by the divine. Why do we get angry? We asked this question to our Guru, Sri Yogiraj Vedatri Maharishi. Swamiji has done significant amount of research on why anger and the ill effects of anger and how we can overcome them. In this video, I will explain to you what our Guru Sri Yogiraj Vedatri Maharishi taught us on why we get angry. If you analyze the reasons for anger, invariably we will arrive at an underlying desire. If there are no desires, such a person will never get angry. Isn't it true? Therefore, when there is a desire and when the mind perceives a roadblock for fulfilling the desire, the force that emanates from within us in order to remove the block and fulfill our desire is essentially anger. What a fantastic definition for anger. Have you ever heard of a simpler definition than this from anyone else in your life? I haven't. And I acknowledge that this definition has helped me to recognize that nobody else instigates my anger in me but myself, my desire, my wants, my needs, my expectations are the root cause of all my anger. I have a log of all the times that I have gotten angry since the time I have met Swamiji, and each time I have gotten angry, I have been the 100% reason for my anger. And how do we get rid of anger? Do watch the next video. From this wonderful divine temple of consciousness, Swamiji taught us this fantastic yet highly effective and simple method to neutralize, prevent, remove anger permanently from our system and achieve harmony and peace in ourselves and in all our relationships. Be blessed by the divine.